So these AI tools can make your picture talk, to walk, to do any other thing. And even you can make your picture to feed your rabbit. So you can use your avatar to generate videos. And guess what? It is completely free with no watermark. So let's dive in. Let's see how you can make use of it.
Okay, so the first thing you do is you go to your chat GPT. If you're new, you register with your email and it's completely free. So I've already generated a picture already, but it's a lady that came out from the picture. So I want a male character instead of a female character. So I asked ChatGPT to generate the lady into a male character. Yes, I need an African man. Okay. So ChatGPT generated four pictures. Imagine four. So even to choose any one of the picture was a kind of confusing for me. So here are the pictures. It gave me four pictures of a man feeding his rabbits in the farm, a farmer. So that is the character that I want to use. You can use your picture or any picture you feel like. If you like a picture, you can regenerate it with ChatGPT into your own favorite picture, or you can change the character of the picture. So after having this, the next thing is to go to our AI will be using. That is Hedra, Hedra, Hedra AI. So this AI is so lovely because it generates longer videos in a single prompt. So you can see how it is. Register with your email, then you can see this face. Oh, so lovely. Then you choose if a size because I'm using YouTube. YouTube is 16 by 19, so you choose your favorable size. If you're using other social network, you go for it. All right. So you upload a image. You can capture. You can do a live capturing. So I'm uploading generated picture which I got from my chat GPT. So that is the picture here. All right. So I'm going to write a prompt. Remember, my prompt is different from the voice I'm going to use. So this is what I want the picture to be doing. So make the man. Okay. So oh no, make the man. Okay. Let's be talking. Okay. This one, I want a kind of scenario where the man is talking and feeding the rabbit at the same time. Yes, I think that is better. So, and I don't want those rabbit toasts to be at a static movement. I want them to be moving so it will look so real. Because this is just a picture, but I want to generate the picture into a video. So please, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. On this channel, I do a lot of AI tutorials. You won't regret subscribing to this channel. So please hit the subscription button. You can like this video as well. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. So here is the prompt. You can write your own prompt. This prompt is just to guide my video. So your own prompt, you can just set the man should be feeding the rabbit and looking at the camera. So here is my prompt. The next is to add voice. So I'm going to record what I want the picture to be saying. Okay, so I'm recording now. So I put it on record. Okay, the record won't come out here, but I'm recording to the video. So you can record as long as 20 seconds. Yes, 20 seconds. So if you want to even change different character, you can do that several times. So after recording, you will wait a while. Okay, you can see now. You can even change the voice if you feel like changing the voice. So you can listen to it. If you're not okay with the voice, you replace it. If you play, if you feel like the voice is okay, yeah, you go with it. So, all right. So after this now, your voice, you've recorded your voice already. You have your character already. You've generated your prompt already. Everything is set. All right. So you load so that you can see now preparing to generate your video. All right. This AI is lovely. It's lovely and it's completely free. it comes out without watermark. So you can see it's on the queue. So it takes a while before it generates. So you might have to leave your phone for a while. But if you want it instantly, you upgrade. And upgrading means you are paying. But it's better we prefer free things here. So, and I prefer most of my subscribers like free AI, just like I said in the video. So you just wait for a while. You can leave your phone and do other things to minimize it while it's generating. So uh, it's generating. So please don't forget to subscribe on the like. If you have comments, drop it on the comment section if you have video. So here's the video. You can see. All right, this looks so amazing, so cool because it generates up to 20 seconds video. That is lovely. Now this is loading, so you can just save directly. So why your video have generated, you go to the down. Please, you don't need to upgrade. Just download your videos from this side. Okay. So let me click on download now. All right, it has downloaded. So this is so lovely. Please don't forget to subscribe. So you go to your video, sorry, your gallery. Yes. So here's the video.
So these AI tools can make your picture talk, to walk,
You
to
can
do any
see
other thing.
no watermark.
And even you can make your picture to feed your rabbit. So you can use your avatar
So you
to
don't have to
generate
edit.
videos. And guess what? It is completely free
It's
with
other
no
AI, it
watermark.
comes with
So let's dive
watermark,
in.
but
Let's
this
see
one
how
no
you can
watermark.
make use of it.
Yes, so when you're done with this, if you're not satisfied, you feel like, oh, I'm not so satisfied with this, you can go back to your video again. So you check on this icon, you see video image, you go to library. So from your library here, you will see your video. Yes, you can see. So this is the video. So this is the video. So you can come here, you can go back to re-edit it again. And when you come here, if you feel like changing any other thing, if you feel like changing the voice, if you're not satisfied with the way the man is talking, you can edit and put your own. If you feel like you want the rabbit to be jumping, or you want them to be eating, you can put another thing, and it's all for free. So please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and if you have any question, drop in the video. So here's the final
So
video.
these AI tools can
So you
make
can
your
see how it
picture
looks like.
talk, to walk, to do any other thing. And even you can make your picture to feed your
And
rabbit.
the rabbits are even
So you can
looking
use
real.
your avatar to generate videos. And guess what?
This
It
was
is
generated
completely
from
free with no
a picture.
watermark. So let's dive in. Let's see how you can
See you in
make
the
use
next
of
video.
it.
Bye.